Saint Hypomone. April 5th, Empress Helena Dragaš, who upheld Christian virtue during the Byzantine Empire's final years, later embraced monasticism as Saint Hypomone, demonstrating patience. Saint Hypomone, known in the world as Empress Helena Dragaš, lived during a period of profound challenge for the Byzantine Empire. Born in 1372, Helena was the daughter of the Serbian prince Constantine Dragaš. Her lineage connected her to a realm that shared the Orthodox faith and faced similar pressures from the encroaching Ottoman Turks. In 1392, Helena entered into marriage with the Byzantine Emperor Manuel II Palaiologos, thereby becoming empress. Her new role placed her at the heart of the imperial court in Constantinople, a city that, though still grand, was contending with diminishing territories and increasing external threats. As empress, Helena demonstrated a life guided by piety and wisdom. She did not seek personal aggrandizement, but rather served as a steadfast presence within the imperial household. Her actions reflected humility, a quality that earned her respect among those in the court and among the people. She undertook the responsibility of raising her many children in the Orthodox faith. Among them were two sons who would later ascend to the imperial throne, John VIII Palaiologos and Constantine III Palaiologos. Her guidance instilled in them the teachings and traditions of the Church, preparing them not only for their earthly duties but also for their spiritual lives. Helena stood by her husband, Emperor Manuel II, during a period marked by immense political and military pressure. The Ottoman Turks advanced, and the empire's borders contracted. During these years, her composure and unwavering faith provided a source of stability. She did not waver in her commitment to the Christian virtues, even as the empire faced its most difficult trials. After the repose of her husband, Emperor Manuel II, in 1425, Helena remained at court. She continued to offer support and counsel to her son, Emperor John VIII, as he navigated the complex political landscape. However, her heart was increasingly drawn to a different path, the monastic life. She desired to dedicate her remaining years entirely to prayer and asceticism, seeking a deeper communion with God away from the demands of imperial life. In 1448, Helena fulfilled this desire. She entered the monastery of Kira Martha in Constantinople, a community of women dedicated to God. There, she received the monastic tonsure, signifying her renunciation of the world and her commitment to the angelic habit. Upon her tonsure, she was given the name Hypomone, which in Greek means patience or perseverance. This name reflected not only the virtues she had exemplified throughout her life as empress, but also the spiritual disciplines she now embraced in monasticism. The name also resonated with the enduring patience required of the faithful during the final years of the Byzantine Empire, a period demanding steadfastness and hope in God's providence. Saint Hypomone reposed in the Lord on March 23, 1450. Her life of deep faith, lived both as a public figure and as a humble nun, led to her veneration as a saint by the Orthodox Church. Her relics were later laid to rest in the monastery of the Pantocrator in Constantinople. The Orthodox Church commemorates Saint Hypomone on May 29th. This date is shared with her son, Emperor Constantine V, who was martyred during the fall of Constantinople 3 years after her repose, on May 29, 1453. Saint Hypomone stands as an example of Christian virtue, demonstrating how one can live a life of piety, wisdom, and patience, whether in the world as an empress and mother, or in the quietude of monastic obedience.